Over the past few days I've broken through some major weight loss targets, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do just the same. Welcome to the Liz and Skatz channel. Hi, I'm Skatz and I'm a musician and music therapist with type 2 diabetes. Together with my lovely wife Liz, we have been reversing my diabetes with a keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle. In the process, we've lost loads of weight and we've made ourselves much more healthy along the way so we can grow old disgracefully together. Now we want to share with you what we've learned along the way. So help us to help you by doing this. Subscribe, and click on the bell. Hello Keto Bonitos and fabulous fasting friends. As some of you already know, Liz and I have been completely changing our lifestyle and we want to tell you how you can benefit and do the same. But just before I do that, two things. First of all, Liz and I have just added some links in the video description below to some of the equipment that we use to make these videos and to some of the musical instruments that I use and anything else that's relevant to what we're doing. If you use those links to buy something that we've recommended, we get a small percentage and that helps grow our channel. It won't cost you any more than you would normally pay and you might even get a discount in some cases. So go on, have a go. Look at the links. Second thing, it's announcement day. At the beginning of this mad, crazy, ridiculous year, I weighed a very uncomfortable 217.5 pounds, which is less than I've lost on some previous years, but this year in particular saw a perfect storm of three different things which set Liz and I off on a mission, and that mission has completely changed our lives. First thing that happened was that my father died, and then COVID and the lockdown happened. And then I was told by my doctor that I would have to take medication for my type 2 diabetes. And all of those three things together with a big kick up the backside that Liz and I both needed to do something about our lives and change our health for the better and stop this diabetes in its tracks. Now we're in September and I would like to announce a series of goals that I have achieved in the hope of inspiring you to do the same. First goal. The first thing I did was break through 161 pounds, which is 11.5 stone. Then I very quickly broke through the 160 pounds. Now I've been using a series of small goals, the tens and fives of pounds. Then I broke through 25 BMI, which means I'm not overweight anymore, and that's official. Then the big one. I went through 157.5 pounds, and why is that important? Because that's exactly 60 pounds in total in weight that I have lost. That's amazing. And if that's not enough, I've lost 10 inches from round my waist, and that's only from when I actually started measuring myself, and that was only a couple of months ago. So I've probably lost loads more than that, but I've gone down from 44 inches to 34 inches, and actually I'm fitting into some 32-inch trousers now, and these are 32-inch trousers that are stretchy, but actually I've had to put on a belt today, so I'm going to be starting to buy 30-inch trousers, and that will probably be the ones that I will be in forever from now on.
Oh yeah, Keto Bonito. Yeah, Keto Bonito.
One day, Liz and I, we've both promised actually that we'd do you a bit of a fashion show of all of our boho and hippie style clothes that we've got, and that's going to be quite funny because some of them are quite big, like this one. It's really huge now, but I'm going to keep on wearing some of these kind of clothes because I really like them, and these are kind of one size fits all. A lot of the clothes that I used to wear I have now thrown out. There is no going back, and I hope that's an inspiration to you too. Oh, and one other thing, my other target weight is approaching, and that is my main target weight for the whole of this diet. I was aiming to get down to 154 pounds, which is exactly 11 stone, and I'm only 2 pounds away from that now. I'm actually 155.9, so that's 1.9 pounds away from that target weight, and I know actually that at the moment, I don't think you can see it on the camera there, but if I go back, I still have some visceral fat here. It's definitely still there. I know I have excess fat on me at the moment, so I don't think that target weight is the one I'm going to stick at. I'm going to put my target down now to 10.5 stone, which is 147 pounds, and then I'll reassess it when I get there. And I'll also start some weight training, and that's going to change things a bit, because when you do some weight training you put on muscle, and that's an increase in weight. So I'll see how I am when I get there. This is all now as I get very close to my targets. It's all about adjustments, little adjustments, and seeing how I feel, seeing how I look, and seeing what I'm happy with.
Keto bonito.
Now, I told you that in this video I was going to help you. Now, I hope the first part of this video has helped you in the way that it's inspired you. Now, how else can I help you? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can do the same as me. You can cure your type 2 diabetes or your insulin resistance. You can lose that stubborn weight that you've always been wanting to get rid of and achieve the figure that you really want and that you deserve. You can get healthy. You can guard against lots and lots of illnesses and increase your self-esteem along the way. It's really helped with mine. I tell you, I feel so much better. Now I'm more healthy. It's not just the looking like this, although when I announced that I was through the 25 BMI barrier, not just now, but I said it in one of our other videos just the other day, I got very, very emotional. And I think I was thinking back to the times when people have looked at me or said something about the way that I look and about my weight. And that really got to me then. And it's made me think very, very hard about staying this shape now. And part of me saying, you know, why should I care about what people think? But it's affected me and I want to feel better about myself. So for me, and maybe for you too, this could be the time for you to do something really positive and make yourself feel good. And I believe that it's not only possible, but it's very, very achievable. And the secret is, if I can do it, you absolutely can do it too. Because I know that I've got a genetic predisposition to being addicted. I'm addicted to sugar. I've been addicted to sugar all my life. Also, my family have a history of weight fluctuation, and I've noticed some articles recently, doctors are saying that DNA has an awful lot to do with the prevalence of obesity in society today. And I think that DNA can be rewritten. Your brain pathways can be rewritten. Now, as I said, I've been a sugar addict all my life, and in a future video that I'm planning right now, I am going to tell you how that's affected me throughout my life, how it's affected me mentally, how it's affected me physically, and how sugar has been an awful lot to do with the way that I was up until recently, before I started this new lifestyle. So if you subscribe and click on the bell, you will get to see that video, and hopefully that will inspire you, and it'll tell you what you can do about it to get the same benefits that I have. So what is the answer to all of this? Well, I think you probably guessed it from what this channel is all about. The answer is a keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle. They are the holy grail of weight loss and health.
Keto bonito.
Fasting, 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 fasting. We have lots of videos on this channel all about keto and about fasting, so you can learn how to start the process, the health benefits, the mistakes to watch out for, how to avoid the keto flu, what's the best exercise you need to do to lose the weight the best, and Liz and I are always on hand to answer your questions down below in the comments on any of the videos that we've made. Anything we don't know, we will share links to all of the experts in keto and fasting that we know and respect. So what you want to do is watch some of the videos, ask us questions. It's all about the research, it's all about the preparation, and we can help you with that. I'm going to leave it there for today. Tell us all about your goals and targets in the comments below, and we will help and inspire you to achieve them the same way that we have. We really would love to hear from you. We love talking to people. So hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell, and really have a great day. Peace and love to you all. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.